You're watching News Channel 11 on ABC Tri-Cities at 11.
Rogersville's police chief is requesting a new type of weapon for his officers. Thanks for choosing us on ABC Tri-Cities on this Friday night. I'm Sarah Diamond. Josh Smith has the night off. That weapon is an AR-15 that will nearly double the amount of ammunition each officer has on hand. Chief Doug Nelson spoke with the Board of Mayor and Aldermen this week to get their approval on a gun that will supplement each officer's hand and shotgun. They'll need around 13 rifles, one per cruiser, at a cost of about $20,000. An addition the chief says is crucial in the world we live in.
That would give us a lot more ammo capacity, more accuracy to longer distance. And with everything going on in the world, all the activity around, like terrorist activity, eventually something's going to happen here. And I'd like to get a jump on it and not say, well, we wish we'd have had this.
The assault rifle edition, with a vote of 6-0, Nelson says they'll now start looking into gun vendors for business.